Hey everyone, I'm Chloe.
And I'm Max. Today we have a very relaxing topic.
Yes, today we are talking about the end of a long week. That feeling when work is done, school is done, and you can finally stop.
Oh, I love that feeling. Friday evening, you sit down, you close your laptop, and you think, okay, it's over.
Yes, and your body says thank you.
My body says, finally.
Same, Max, same. So today we are going to talk about how we relax, what we do, what we feel, and we have some great vocabulary for you at the end.
And before we start, a question for you. After a long week, what do you do first? Do you sleep? Do you eat something? Do you watch TV? Write your answer in the comments.
Yes, we want to know. Okay, let's begin.
So, Chloe, let's be honest. After a long week, I don't want to do anything big. I just want to be home.
Me too. I just want to be home and feel calm, not busy, not thinking about work, just calm.
Exactly. And I think the first thing I do is change my clothes.
Oh, yes. Comfortable clothes are so important.
I change my work clothes and I put on my soft clothes at home. And suddenly, I feel better.
It's funny, right? Just changing clothes can change how you feel.
It really can. It's like a small signal to your body. Work time is over, rest time is starting.
I like that. A signal to your body. And for me, the next thing is I put my phone away.
Oh, that's hard for me.
I know, but when I put my phone on the table, far away, I feel much more relaxed.
Because no more messages, no more notifications.
Exactly. Just quiet. And I think quiet is very important after a busy week. Your head is full of things, thoughts, things to do, things to remember.
Yes, after a long week, my head feels very full, like too many things are inside.
And you need time to slow down, not to think about everything, just to breathe.
Just to breathe. I like that.
So, Max, what do you usually do on Friday evening to relax?
Okay, so first, food. I need something warm and easy to eat.
Yes, comfort food.
Exactly. I don't want to cook something difficult. Maybe soup. Maybe pasta. Something simple that makes me feel good.
I love that. And for me, I drink tea, a big cup of tea, hot tea, and I sit in my favorite place at home,
Where is your favorite place?
my sofa, with a blanket and maybe a candle.
Oh, that sounds so nice.
It really is. And I just sit there. I don't do anything. I just rest.
Just rest. No phone, no TV.
Sometimes I put on soft music, very quiet music, but nothing loud, nothing fast.
I do that too. Quiet music is so good for relaxing. Your body starts to slow down.
Yes, and I think that's important. After a busy week, your body's still a little tense, like your shoulders are up here.
Oh, yes, I noticed that too. My shoulders are up all week, and when I sit down and breathe slowly, they go down.
Exactly. So, relaxing is not only about doing fun things, sometimes it's just about slowing your body down.
And giving yourself permission to stop.
Permission to stop. I love that. You don't need to be productive every minute.
Right. Sometimes doing nothing is the right thing to do.
And that's okay. That's actually important.
You know what I also love after a long week? A warm shower.
Oh, yes. A long, warm shower.
I stand there for maybe 10 minutes and I just feel the water and I think about nothing.
That's so good. A warm shower can really help you feel better.
And after the shower, clean, soft clothes and maybe some snacks.
Of course, snacks are important.
Very important. Chloe, what is your favorite relaxing snack?
Maybe something sweet, some chocolate or fruit, something small but nice.
I like toast. Simple toast with butter. Or toast with peanut butter.
Toast is perfect. It's warm, it's simple, it's good.
And you can eat it slowly. You don't need to rush.
Eating slowly is part of relaxing too, I think. When you sit down, you eat slowly, you enjoy every bite. That feels very different from eating quickly at your desk.
Yes, eating slowly, drinking tea slowly, just enjoying the small moment.
Small moments are everything on a Friday evening.
Okay, it's time for the word tour, our favorite part.
Today we have 5 words for you, all connected to relaxing and feeling better after a long week.
We will explain each word slowly. You will hear example sentences, and at the end, we will help you use them too.
Tired.
Wait, tired? Everyone knows tired.
Yes, but today we want to talk about different ways to feel tired. Because sometimes you are not just a little tired, you are very tired, completely tired.
Okay, I understand. So, how do we say that?
I am exhausted. Exhausted means very, very tired. Your body and your head both feel tired.
Exhausted. Let's say it together. Exhausted. Exhausted.
Good. So instead of I'm tired, you can say I'm exhausted. For example, after this week, I'm completely exhausted.
I can use that every Monday.
Me too. Okay, word number 2, stressed.
Stressed. I think many people know this word, but let's practice it. Stressed means you have too many things to do and you feel worried or nervous.
Yes, and a useful sentence is I feel stressed when I have too much work.
Or, this week was very stressful. Stressful is the adjective. A stressful week. A stressful day.
Good. So tired, exhausted, stressed, stressful. Now, word number 3, calm.
Calm. The opposite of stressed. Calm means quiet, relaxed, not worried.
I feel calm now. Or the music makes me feel calm.
Or, I need a calm evening at home.
Calm is a beautiful word and a beautiful feeling.
Unwind.
Ooh, I love this one. Unwind means to relax and stop feeling stressed, usually after a busy time.
It's like when you take a rope and you slowly make it loose. You unwind it. And that's the same for your body and your mind.
Yes, so you can say, I need to unwind after work, or watching a film helps me unwind.
Or I usually unwind by taking a walk.
Unwind is very useful because it's more specific than just relax. It means you are coming down from stress.
How do you unwind, Chloe?
Tea and my sofa. You?
Warm shower and snacks. Classic.
Perfect. And the last word, word number 5, recharge.
Recharge, like a phone. When your phone has no battery, you recharge it. And when you are very tired, you need to recharge too.
Exactly. Recharge means to get your energy back, to feel better after you were tired.
I need a good night's sleep to recharge. Or the weekend helped me recharge.
Or I feel recharged after my holiday.
So, recharge is for getting energy back, and unwind is for stopping the stress.
Perfect. Both are very useful after a long week.
Okay, let's review today's 5 words.
Very, very tired.
Too much to do, feeling worried,
Calm, quiet, and relaxed.
unwind, to slowly relax after stress.
And recharge to get your energy back.
Great words and easy to use.
Now it's your turn. Write one sentence in the comments using one of today's words. For example, I feel exhausted on Fridays, or I unwind by listening to music.
We love reading your sentences.
And tell us, what is your favorite way to relax after a long week? We are always curious.
Sleep? Food? A walk? A film? Let us know.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope this episode helped you relax a little too.
Take care of yourself.
And take care of your English. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.